enjoyed.
You like?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, really did a good job. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today my wife will be giving me a haircut. Well, I'm nervous, but let's see how it goes.
So we're using this clipper and then I'll try to see if I can know the setting. It's so much better when you're giving a child a haircut, and I can show videos and children in these videos anyway, versus giving an adult a haircut. It's my first time with a Nigerian clipper, so please stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe if you watch the video.
Enjoy.
Thank you. We'll go ahead and tie up this piece of cloth. I don't know what they call it. I'm not a professional. And let's start.
Good to go.
So, first of all, we'll go ahead and dust off the dust, clean up the clipper. It's already sterilized, by the way. And then this is step what? This is step 1. Go ahead and put it on. There you go. This is the on button. You hear it vibrating.
Don't choke my hair.
Let's see if I can give a bad haircut or a good one. Am I doing good so far? Hell no.
Yeah.
When you get to you pull the ear out so you don't cut the ear. If it's someone with a longer hair, you can use the scissors and just trim it out here. I'm trying to do this on my face. We're still using step 1, guys. We're still using step 1. Yeah, when you are giving a low cut. So we're doing a final touch, and I'll be going all around. I use step 1. I don't believe the camera. So I use step 1 throughout, doing a final touch, going all around. You can see this part is blended already. Where's that brush?
Doing a good job.
Mwah.
Yeah, all done.
You pay me for it. Okay. I'm actually just using the blade clipper itself, not using any particular steps, just to do the final touch. And I'm making sure I don't dip it and make it too deep, you know, and all that stuff, so I don't give him a bad spot. So using my camera as a mirror, it's not a mirror.
Yeah, I'm just making sure.
So we're trimming it for the final touch, and you know.
Don't expect you could do this.
He's been supportive. I know I'm doing a terrible job.
Trying at least.
And you know, put the ears, stuffing the ears down, get them out of the way. Okay, and this is what it looks like so far. And be careful, guys, so you don't give him a bad spot or make it uneven when you are carving the back. So before you actually try to arch the back, you probably want to know if you want it rounded or if you want it rounded or square. So we already established he likes it rounded. So some people just like it square like that. So and I forgot to say this earlier. This is where you adjust. You bring what do you call it, the blade up, or bring it down. Let me turn it off. See? So when this is the controller or whatever they call this switch. Make sure that both teeth on the blade meet when you want to carve it. I mean, which is what we're doing now. But when we're doing just the trimming and the blending and the final part. This was it came up. So I'm just basically showing how this part works, down and up. So for this we'll keep doing it. So we'll go ahead and carve the front and just make it you know what I'm trying to talk about. So we're doing the front now.
Front carving.
And I'll be going to this direction.
So can you see?
remember, your clipper has to have both teeth together. So you guys can see here versus here. Here versus here. So let me see. I'm trying to do this in a way you can see how actually. Let's see. I want you to see how like that. You can see. Yeah. He's scared. So be very careful when you're doing the front part. If not, you know what's gonna happen. To do this in a way I'm not cutting, so you guys can see what I'm doing. I think that, yeah. I think that is all. How did it turn out?
Wow.
So this is the front area. I'm gonna bring the camera close by so we'll see. That turned out like that. And then like that. And see if you can turn your back because it's dark here in the back area. Thank you for watching, guys, and I want to try give him shave his beard. So catch us in the next video and stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't.
Yeah, bye bye. Enjoy.
You like?
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, really, really good job.
Bye, guys.